our 4th of July special, we're going to 3D print our US flag. So let's go to Google and type 3D free print designs. As you can see, there are different options. So let's check this all3dp.com. There is a list of different sites and give you the stars, the ranking. Some are open source, some are paid. So we're gonna choose Thingiverse because I have 5 stars. Here is Thingiverse. There's where people post their ideas. So let's type US flag. As you can see, there are different options of the US flag. And let's see which ones we're gonna choose. We're gonna choose this one with 110 likes. It's a pretty decent size and it's very easy to print. Let's give a credit to the designer, Real 3D Designs. Then one thing I had to point out, the files have to be downloaded and they're zipped, so we have to unzip it to be able to open it. However, you cannot print this one directly. You will have to have a slicer. A slicer is a website or as a program, sorry, that can change the type of file, so you can actually 3D print. So if the file comes STL is like, if you're thinking about Word document, will be that doc, there's a document, so it's a PowerPoint, and a PPT. So this type of design are STL files, and they will be saved depends of which 3D printer you have. So now this is our slicer. I was mentioning the Dremel Digital Lab 3D Slicer. This is a specific one to the Dremel. So I will open up the downloaded file from Thingiverse, from Open File. This is Know My Design. So I'll take credit for something I didn't do. US flag of the United States. Opens up. So as you can see, here is our flag, but it shows 0 minutes. It takes 0 minutes and 0 grams. So we must click here and prepare. So prepare basically tells you how long it would take me to print and the mass of the printing. It says 29 grams and 5 hours and 50 minutes. It's kind of long with the size that I have, so I can modify this file to scale it to about 65%. You enter, and then by default the XYZ, each coordinate will be 65. You can change it, so you want to put like 80%, so you can modify things like that. But we want 65. But if you look at here, still 5 hours and 50 minutes. We must prepare again to get the new timing and the new mass for this flag, 8 grams and 1 hour and 32 minutes. So already preset depends of your 3D printer. This is already shows Dremel PLA. High quality. You can modify this to not have a custom or for the recommended. So you save the file. So I give the option to save it. I already, you have a USB. We save it to the USB, and automatically we have the G code. So if I wanna save, G code is the way to save it. You see G code file .g code. So you can save as a STL as an object or 3MF, but G code is the one for Dremel. You can. Now we eject the USB and put it in the 3D printer.
This is the 3D this is the 3D 40 Dremel. This is a decent sized 3D printer, which costs about $700. You can buy it on the Dremel website or in Amazon. This one I have a newer version, which is 1000, which has so much features. But if you buy a 3D printer and you don't know what to do, or it's the first time you get your 3D printer, so it is not as complicated as you may think. So few things to be aware. I have a spool of this filament. This one over here is not from Dremel. Kind of cheating a little bit. This is from Amazon. It's a little bit cheaper than the Dremel. You can use any PLA type of filament. PLA is a plant-based filament, so it's nicer. So we just click, went home, built the USB, so we'll find the 3D print file. No, it's not that, back 20 mask. 3D flag, you see 3D of the 3D flag of the United States, 1 hour and 32 minutes. We just click build. That's it.
And I'm Lily.
We are here in EcoRobotiks celebrating our 4th of July with our social distance.
And with our masks, of course.
We decided to do for our celebration print the US flag. As you can see, this is the result of the 3D print. It wasn't as we expected because we say it was 65%. So it was too thin, so we actually have to print the 100% to get the full details on the back of this.
Well,
And then we can hear the fireworks. We're enjoying.
do you guys hear it? Those are so close. Our neighbors are just going crazy.
Okay,
So you guys celebrate and have fun.
And then I hope come here and check it out, more videos of EcoRobotiks. And please subscribe here on the bottom and follow on our social media. Goodbye.